Hi, welcome to World of Biology. So this is Soumya. So in this class we'll discuss regarding some of the match the following which has been asked in KCT and NEET. As you all know, around 10 to 11 match the following will be given in NEET questions. So we'll directly start with the first question that is given in this one. All you need to do is matching the things given in the list 1 and list 2. So this question, it is basically regarding the chapter that is cell, the unit of life. From this chapter they have given this match the following. The first thing, that is mitochondria. As you all know, this is the structure of mitochondria. So these infoldings which are present in the inner membrane, that inner membrane infoldings are called as the cristae. So these are the infoldings present in a mitochondria, that is cristae. The second they have given regarding thylakoid. As you all know, regarding chloroplast, consider this as the chloroplast. In this chloroplast, we will come across specialized structures. Those are called as a pile of coin-like structure. These are called as non-membranous or flattened membranous sacs present in a stroma of the chloroplast or stroma of the plastid. So these will be called as a, a thylakoid. A single coin will be called as thylakoid, and this bunch will be called as a grana, as you all know regarding the structure. So here they have given thylakoids. Thylakoids are the flattened membranous sacs in a stroma of plastids. So next one, they have given centromere. What are these centromeres? So let's discuss with the diagram. So consider this as a chromosome. Consider this as a chromosome. Consider this as a chromosome. The center part which is present here, that is centromere, and these are called as chromatids. Chromatids. So just near the centromere, we'll come across these constricted site that will be called as a primary constriction. The primary constriction. So let's see what they have given here. The centromere, it is a primary constriction in a chromosome. Then what about the last one they have given? The cisternae. They have given a cisternae. Let's see what is this cisternae indicates. Cisternae, it is present in a specialized structure, that is Golgi apparatus. So as you know, it is discovered by a scientist, Camillo Golgi. So he discovered this a flattened disc shaped structures. So these disc shaped structures are called as cisternae. What do you call these structures? They will be called as a cisternae. It is a disc shaped sacs in a Golgi apparatus. So hence the answer for this one, A they have given 3, B they have given 4, C they have given 1, D they have given 2. So hence the third statement will be the right answer for this question. So we'll discuss with the next one, that is regarding the cell cycle. This question is basically from the chapter cell cycle and cell division. So I will draw a small diagram here. So consider this as a cell cycle structure. So this one will be G1, yes, G2. In this one we'll come across 4 different things. So this one will be prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. This one is commonly called as PMAT stages, and this one that will be considered as Z0. Z0 means a quiescent stage. This one will be called as a quiescent stage, whereas this one a growth phase 1. This one will be called as synthetic phase. This one will be called as a growth phase 2. So these G1, yes, G2, G1, yes, G2. So these are the parts of, or they will come under interphase. Whereas, so here the PMAT stages, they will come under M phase. So let's study this match the following thing here. S phase, you should know growth phase 1, where the cells are metabolically active and the cells, they continuously grow in this phase. When the cells enter into S phase, the genetic material, that is DNA, it start duplicating in the synthetic phase, and also centrosomes will get divided in this S phase. Then the cell will enter into G2, that is growth phase 2. Soon after entering into the G2, the macromolecules like protein synthesis will get completed in this growth phase 2. Then the cell is ready to undergo division. Then it will enter into the M phase. So M phase. Here S phase, it is DNA replication. G2 phase, where proteins are synthesized. Quiescent stage, it is an inactive phase. G1 phase, interval between mitosis and initiation of DNA replication. So the correct answer for this one will be the third answer. So we'll discuss the next one. So this question is from the chapter, that is Animal Kingdom. So it is from chapter Animal Kingdom. So as you know, this animal kingdom will be divided into two. One is vertebrates, another one is vertebrates. So in vertebrates, as you all know, all highly modified organisms will come. Invertebrates, we will only study regarding the phylums. Phylum. So here they have given a name of the phylums here. These are the phylums, and they have given a specialized characters present in a respective phyla. So you have to choose what are these things given here. So first one, they have given a metamerism. So where you studied regarding metamerism? So first one, they have given metamerism. So metamerism, it is belongs to phylum Annelida. As you all know, in an Annelida you will come across the metameric segmentation. That is, the body is divided internally and externally along with the repetition of some of the organs. So this one will be the Annelida. Then second one, they have given canal system. Where you studied regarding canal system? That is Foriferans. Forifera. In Forifera you will come across the different canal systems. Then where you observed regarding combo plates? These combo plates we observed in a ctenophores. Ctenophore. So example you studied, that is pleurobrachia. Then nidoblasts, that is the stinging cells. So nidoblasts, these are called as a stinging cells, and they belongs to cylinderids. Hence the right answer for this one, A3, B4, C2, combo plates S, nidoblast D1, this one, that is third one. A3, B4, C combo plates ctenophora, that is 2, D1. So third will be the right answer here. So we'll discuss the next question. Next question. It is regarding the chapter, that is reproductive health. So this is from chapter reproductive health. The first one, that is walls. What are these walls? Before that, let's know these simple thing, that is vasectomy and tubectomy. Vasectomy, as you all know, it is a male operation, as we commonly called as operation. So this vasectomy, where we will remove the vas deferens. Then tubectomy, it usually is seen in case of females, that is called as female operation, where you will remove the fallopian tubes. So C is 2, then D is 4. They have given only in a second option. Let's know other things. IUDs, that is uterine devices. Why these IUDs will be implemented in case of females? In order to kill the sperms within the uterus. So they will directly phagocytosis, that is the cell eating cytosis of sperms. So for IUDs, third option. Then walls, that is entry of sperm through cervix is blocked. So hence the correct answer for this one, that is the second answer. So next one. So next question, again it is from Animal Kingdom. So this question is from Animal Kingdom. So in this Animal Kingdom, Physalia, as you all know, so it is somewhat in this kind of a ciliate, that is Physalia for Portuguese man of war. Then the Limulus, it is called as living fossil. So living fossils are those organisms they didn't or they did not undergone any changes since from their origin. So since from their origin. Since from their origin. It means, so since from the birth of these organisms they haven't undergone any changes. So these are called as living fossil. So Libellus, it is one of the example for living fossil. Then Ancylostoma, they are the example for hookworms, that is Ascalmenthes. Then the last one, Pinctada, so it is the best example for pearl oyster, Pinctada vulgaris, it is a scientific name of pearl oyster. So the answer for this question, Physalia 2, Limulus 3, Ancylostoma 4. So this one will be the right answer for this question. So next one. So next question. It is from second PUC, uses of bacteria in human welfare. So Aspergillus niger, as you all know, this will produce citric acid. Acetobacter aceti, so this is a bacteria which produce or synthesize acetic acid. Then Clostridium butyricum, that is butyric acid. Then the Lactobacillus, as you all know, lactic acid. So hence the correct answer for this one, the first one. So next question. Scapula. It's from the chapter Locomotion and Movement. So scapula, where you will see this scapula, it is a part of the pectoral girdle, where this scapula, it is one of the triangular flat bone present in the pectoral girdle. Then cranium. So as you all know, this cranium consists of many different bones, and these bones are interconnected with one another by a special joint, that is fibrous joints. Then what about this sternum? This sternum, it is commonly called as a flat bone or a collar bone. This one will be the second one. Then vertebrate column. This vertebral column, where vertebrae are interconnected with one another by a joint, that is cartilaginous joint. So correct answer for this one, that is fourth one. So next one. Next one will be regarding the human health and disease, from human health and disease chapter, where Filariasis. This filariasis is mainly caused by a causative agent, that is Wucheria bancrofti. So this Wucheria bancrofti will cause a disease, that is filariasis. This was occurred in humans by the bite or through the bite of mosquitoes, and these mosquito directly affects a lymphatic system in a humans. So this disease is called as filariasis. Then amoebiasis. So this amoebiasis, it is one of the protozoan disease. So this is one of the protozoan disease. Protozoan disease, that is amoebiasis. Amoebiasis. Then pneumonia. So this pneumonia is caused by a bacteria. So it is one of the bacterial disease. So this bacterial disease is caused by a causative agent. One is Haemophilus influenzae. Haemophilus influenzae. The another one is a Streptococcus pneumonia. Streptococcus pneumonia. So pneumonia is caused by Haemophilus influenzae. The last one, that is a ringworm disease. A ringworm. So it is one of the fungal disease. And it is caused by a special causative agent, that is Trichophyton rubrum. So this is caused by a fungus, that is Trichophyton rubrum. So correct answer for this one, A3, B4, C1, D2. The second option will be the right answer here. So next question, it is from the chapter, that is evolution. So here they have given 4 different options. One is adaptive radiation. This adaptive radiation will be seen through the special example, that is Darwin finches, as we observed. So this adaptive radiation was clearly explained by the scientist, that is Charles Darwin, that is a father of evolution. He observed different finches in a particular island, that is Galapagos Island. So this one will be considered as a adaptive radiation. These Darwin finches, they got adapted according to the change in the climatic factors. So adaptive radiation is understood by Darwin finches. Then convergent evolution. This you need to know, as many questions will come from this one. A convergent evolution, where organisms will got evolved from different ancestors, but even though they have a different histories, but they evolve at a single point, that they converge at a single point, as they have a same functions, same structures, different. Whereas, so this convergent evolution will be called as analogous organs. So convergent evolution, they have given an example of wings of wings. Regarding wings they have given. So correct answer for this one will be the wings of butterfly and bird. Then what about this divergent evolution which they have given in your NCRT? Then divergent evolution. Divergent evolution. These are commonly called as, sorry, I made a mistake here. This one will be called as analogous. This one will be called as homologous organs, where you will come across they have originated from a single ancestor, but they diverge into different places, different organisms, as they have a same structure but functions are different. So these are the difference between these two. Here function will be same but the structures are different. Here same structure but different functions. So from this one you can easily answer this question, where divergent evolution, for this one they have given better example, that is the bones of forelimbs and forelimbs of man and whale. Then the last one, evolution by anthropogenic action, that is selection of resistant varieties due to excessive use of herbicides and pesticides. So first answer will be the right answer for this question. So we'll discuss the next one. So for this one I will draw a diagram. As you all know, this form circulation topic. So we'll draw a neat diagram. Simple for your understanding. I will draw a diagram. So consider this as a heart. So this heart, where you'll come across a right auricle, left auricle, left ventricle, right ventricle. So in this one you'll come across special structures like these they have given. So that is tricuspid valve. So this they have given here, that will be considered as bicuspid valve, and this one will be the semilunar valve. Semilunar valve. So from this diagram you can clearly understand this question. Tricuspid valve, it is present between right atrium and right ventricle. So third is the right answer. Bicuspid valve between left atrium and left ventricle. The first one will be the right answer. Semilunar valve, it is between right ventricle and a pulmonary artery. So this one will be the correct answer. So hence the right option for this one will be the third one. So we'll discuss the next one. So next question. It is from the chapter, that is from the chapter breathing and exchange of gases. So where breathing and exchange of gases will come across different terms like a tidal volume, they have given clear values in your NCERT. Then inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, then residual volume. So they have clearly given in the NCERT. Based on that you can solve this question. As you all know, tidal volume will be 500 to 550 ml, whereas IRV, that is inspiratory reserve volume, that will be 2500 to 3000 ml, whereas ERV, expiratory reserve volume, 1000 to 1100 in ml. Residual volume, that will be 1100 to 1200 ml. So right answer for this question, tidal volume, that is 500 to 550, inspiratory 2500 to 3000, expiratory 1000 to 1100, residual volume 1100 to 1200. So right answer for this one will be the second one. So we'll discuss with the next one. So next one. So it is regarding excretion. As you all know, glycosuria, presence of glucose in urea or urine. So presence of glucose in urine, gout, where you will come across accumulation of uric acid in a joints. Then renal calculi, where you will come across stones in a kidney, or you can call it as a mass of crystallized salts within the kidney. Then glomerular nephritis, where you will come across inflammation in a glomeruli. So correct answer for this one will be the fourth one. So we'll study the next one. So next one, ultrafiltration, where ultrafiltration in a kidney will be done in this malfusion corpuscles. Concentration of urine takes place in Henle's loop. Then transport of urine, as you all know, by a tube, that is ureter. Then storage of urine will always be in a urinary bladder. When you say my bladder is full, that is because of the storage of urine. So for this one, the correct answer will be the second one, Second one, the storage of urine, transport of urine by ureter. Yes, so this one will be the right answer for this question. So we'll discuss with the next question, that is regarding the clotting factors. Fibrinogen, it is always a blood clotting factor. Globulin, it is a antibodies. IgA, IgE, IgD, IgM, that is globulin. It always helps in defense mechanism. The albumin, it helps in osmotic balance. So hence the correct answer for this question will be, that is fourth one. So we'll discuss the next question, that is the insulin. As you all know, if the insulin deficiency is seen, that will be considered as a diabetes mellitus. This causes, insulin deficiency causes a disease, that is diabetes mellitus. Then what will happen if there is a fluctuation in a thyroxine? The thyroxine hormone is produced by a thyroid. The insulin will be produced by a pancreas. So if there is a fluctuation, you will come across this goiter. Then corticoids, it is produced by adrenal gland. So this corticoids, if there is a hyper or hypo, then it leads to many diseases. The corticoid deficiency leads to Addison's disease. Then the last one, that is growth hormone. Fluctuation in growth hormone also lead to a disease, that is acromegaly. So the correct answer for this one, that is third one. So next question, P wave, QRS complex T wave and reduction in the size of T wave. So P wave, sorry, the P wave is because of the depolarization of the atria. So that is fourth one. Then what is QRS complex? It is because of the depolarization of ventricles. That is first one. Then T wave, as you all know, it is because of what? Repolarization of ventricles. Then reduction in the size of T wave, that is coronary ischemia. So answer, that will be the first one. So we'll discuss the next question. It is again from the uses of bacteria in human welfare. Lactobacillus, always it helps in the formation of what? Curd. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is bread preparation. Aspergillus niger, that is citric acid. Then Acetobacter aceti, that is acetic acid. So correct option for this one, that is A2, B4, C3 and D4, that is the second one. So it is the right answer for this one. So we'll discuss with the next question. It is from animal kingdom, phyla. So phyla, it is from mollusca, snail. So mollusca. So this molluscans have a special structure, that is radula. It is one of the rasping organ. Then bombyx, it is from phylum Arthropoda. Poda. So this Bombyx mori has a special structure, that is Malpighian tubule, that is excretory structure in case of arthropods. Then pleurobrachia, it seen in actinophores, actinophora, that is comb plates. Then tinea, so this is from platyhelminthes. So tinea have a special structure, that is flame cells. So for this one, a correct answer will be A3B4, A3B4, C2D1. So that is 2. So next one. So it is the last question for this class. Match the following. Aspergillus niger, again we know as it is what? Lactic acid. Acetobacter acetic acid. Clostridium botulicum butyric acid. Lactobacillus. Sorry, there is a correction with the first one. Again I will repeat the same thing. Aspergillus niger, citric acid, lactobacillus, lactic acid. So correct answer for this one, A4, B3, C2, D1. So this one will be the correct answer. So again we have left with many different questions. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.